Hey guys, Rhino here. So, I don't know if you noticed that I've been kind of slow this month. I haven't been uploading any videos, which, by the way, I want to give a shout out to David and Joe. I don't want to disclose their last name for privacy purposes. However, thank you guys for sending me messages asking if I'm doing alright because, I haven't been uploading videos. You guys were kind of worried. Thank you guys for asking, and thank you to every subscriber on my channel. Thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. But because I'm kind of slow, I was going through my Facebook and I happened to find some really old videos, including my very first recovery. Which brings me to the point that I want to give another shout out to a different Joe, because he's the one that got me and my friends into the off-road 4x4 scene, And funny enough, my first recovery was in a quad and I had to recover him. He got stranded in a really cold day. He got stranded in the middle of water and he didn't want to get wet, which, I understand. So I ended up recovering him with my quad. You'll see the video shortly. So thank you, Carnal, for getting us into this 4x4 scene. And I hope you enjoyed the video too. I also found some videos for recoveries I did using a Honda Passport, which is a little six banger, 4x4, of course. It was good. It was a really good little truck, It never left me stranded. But it wasn't powerful enough, which is why I ended up getting a Rhino. However, I got some videos, when I had that little truck doing recoveries, and I'll be posting them as time goes by. And so, stay tuned. I'll be posting them, and in the meanwhile, I'm gonna leave you with this video. So I hope you enjoy it. It's a really short video, but it is my first recovery ever. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. That's me with the red goggles and brown jacket. And Joe, of course, he's sitting on that quad that is getting recovered.
Despacio, güey.